Are you living through a loveless marriage? 10 depressive signs. Hi friends, welcome to Marriage Realities, a comprehensive relationship channel. Today's video is all about the depressive signs that shows you're living through a loveless marriage. Living through a loveless marriage makes you feel depressed and dejected, doesn't it? You feel so because your marriage means the world to you, as it's a lifelong relationship. It unites you with the person you ardently love. When you marry a spouse, you dream of living an everlastingly happy married life. Yes, it is a fact that when you marry, you dream that you will live a happily ever after life with your spouse. You have all sorts of rosy dreams that your love days will continue forever. Your initial days of marriage prove your thoughts right, as you could not have enough of each other. But as days go by, you're shocked when your dream of happily ever after relationship turns lackluster and dull. You're taken aback by the about turn your relationship takes, aren't you? Your rosy dreams about everlasting happiness with your spouse becomes a pipe dream. The distance between you and your spouse widens so much so that both drift too far away from each other. You wonder whether you really know your spouse as much as you thought you did, as he or she behaves like a stranger to you. You're time and again emotionally shattered when your married life is nothing short of a mental torture to you. All these are hallmarks of a loveless marriage, isn't it? Nothing makes you more unhappy than a married life devoid of love and care. What exactly are signs of a loveless marriage? The number one sign of a loveless marriage is total lack of communication. When you're living through a loveless marriage, there is absolutely no communication between you. There is also no shade of love when your spouse interacts with you. You feel lonely and lost as you're unable to share your emotions with your spouse. When your spouse desists from communicating with you, you spend your time alone at home doing your own thing. There are absolutely no discussions about family matters between you. Your spouse is not supportive about your emotional needs. When you live through such a loveless marriage, you're in the same house with your spouse, not as husband and wife, but more like two strangers. The number two sign of a loveless marriage is total lack of sexual life. Physical intimacy between you cements your relationship with more love. Loving couples have regular sex as it gives them intense pleasure and emotional bond. But when all love is lost between you, your sex life becomes non-existent. Your spouse sleeps in another room, making you wonder at the sexual disinterest he or she displays towards you. The romantic spark between you and your spouse seems to have died forever. Your spouse is no longer physically attracted to you and completely forgoes sex with you. The sexual disinterest your spouse shows in you makes you feel unattractive and undesirable. Life without sex does not exist for truly loving couples. When there is total lack of physical intimacy between you, it's a further proof that yours is a loveless marriage. The number three sign of a loveless marriage is total indifference. If your spouse truly loves you, he or she will care for all your emotional needs. The care and attention your spouse shows towards you makes you feel cherished and treasured. But in your loveless marriage, your spouse ceases to take care of your emotional needs. Even when your spouse sees you looking downcast and dejected, he or she never bothers to inquire about it. Your spouse never cares about your health. Your spouse makes you feel uncared and unloved by being totally indifferent towards you. There is so much indifference in your married life that you hate every minute of it. The indifferent attitude of your spouse makes you wonder why you stay in your marriage at all. The number four sign of a loveless marriage is total lack of respect. Mutual respect is very important for your marriage to survive. You want your spouse to respect you for what you are. You want your spouse to respect your individuality. But in your loveless marriage, your spouse never respects you. In fact, your spouse is spiteful towards you that you constantly feel the heat of his or her disrespect. When respect is lost in your marriage, everything is lost. The number five sign of a loveless marriage is total abusive behavior. Your spouse abuses you verbally and physically in your loveless marriage. Your spouse constantly utters expletives against you with the deliberate intention of hurting you. There are times when your spouse physically hurts you. It is because your spouse is unable to control his or her anger against you. When verbal and physical abuse is predominant in your marriage, there's nothing worth the name in it. The number 6 sign of a loveless marriage is total accusing behavior. Your spouse always accuses you as the sole reason behind any mishaps that happen in your family. If there is a financial downfall, the reason has to be you. If there is a family issue, only you have to be the reason behind it. Your spouse never discusses with you about solving family problems, but takes sadistic pleasure in making you the cause behind everything bad happening in your family. In your loveless marriage, there's mutual accusations with both vying with each other to prove the other wrong. The number 7 sign of a loveless marriage is total lack of emotional intimacy. In your loveless marriage, your spouse emotionally isolates himself or herself away from you. Your spouse no longer tries to help you solve any of your personal problems. It is because your spouse has completely disconnected himself or herself from you. Your spouse ceases to help you out financially also. You might be undergoing the worst period of your life, but your spouse is not supportive even at your stressful time, as he or she has grown too emotionally apart from you. The number 8 sign of a loveless marriage is total lack of your presence in the future plan of your spouse. You no longer exist in the plans your spouse has about his or her future. Your spouse makes many plans about his or her future, but strangely, you do not have a place in it. You are not at all included in any of the futuristic plans of your spouse. You are in complete dark about the plans of your spouse, as he or she never discusses it with you. Not being a part of the future life of your spouse is a clear indication of your loveless marriage. The number 9 sign of a loveless marriage is total drifting away from each other. You and your spouse no longer act like husband and wife. Your spouse goes out without you and you do not know about his or her whereabouts. Your spouse has many friends about whom you never know. You do not know how your spouse spends his or her time out, as he or she does not discuss it with you. Even when your spouse is home, he or she never spends his or her free time with you. Can you see how your spouse acts more like a stranger to you? You're emotionally shattered when your spouse never acknowledges your presence. The number 10 sign of a loveless marriage is total secrecy. Total secrecy shrouds the life of your spouse in your loveless marriage. Your spouse almost always comes home late at night, but he or she does not offer any explanations about it. You have all sorts of doubts about the activities of your spouse because of the secrecy that surrounds his or her doings. But you dare not clarify your doubts, as you know you'll get a cold shoulder from your spouse. The money dealings of your spouse are also a total secret to you. Lack of transparency between you makes your loveless marriage even more gloomy to you. Can you see the many depressive signs showing that you're living through a loveless marriage? It is indeed a traumatic experience for you. You should not let things drift away like this, as your marriage will soon plunge towards failure. You should definitely try to sort out things with your spouse before his or her behavior causes irrevocable damage to your marriage. Did this video make you understand the signs that forecast that you're living in a loveless marriage? Marriage Realities will have many such relationship eye-openers. Subscribe to my channel to understand your marriage in a new light. Press the bell icon for updates about my latest relationship videos. Make love forever and to death do us part your relationship goal.